did you videotape that?
Yeah.
Oh.
So weird. There's the London Eye. This is random.
We don't know.
We don't know.
We don't know.
Face chaser. Every time it comes up, I want to say face chaser.
Yeah, he does tricks.
See what this guy's doing. Oh my god. He's all sleight of hand stuff.
What?
He's all sleight of hand stuff.
Oh.
So boring. Another Spider-Man? That's so weird. Just a video. Look at, yeah. Where'd you go? Oh. He's not dead, he's living in London. Standing outside the London Eye. This is almost as good as Tiger People.
What's Tiger People?
Those guys that were standing, oh, you might not remember it, you were drunk. there was guys standing outside last night, just like outside of bars, dressed wholly as tigers. Including like black nose, yeah. I can't see. I have a feeling they're doing breakdancing. Yeah, sitting at all.